In this video, we're going to see how to hide your following list on Instagram. Well, let's find out. We are directly on our device, so let's open Instagram. Once here, if we go to our profile, we will see this section. What we need to do is the following. Go to the upper right section and where our profile is located. Once here, we go to the three horizontal lines menu and to the following, go to settings, scroll down to the account type and tools section, and this applies if you have a professional account. Tap where it says account type, go in and tap switch account type. Then select personal account, tap to switch to personal account, and we just need to wait a moment for the change to take effect. Once the change is applied, we will need to adjust another settings besides this one. As you can see, the account type is now set to personal. Now all we have to do is exit this section. As you can see, our profile will look a bit different now. But we will go back to the top right menu again, and here we'll head over to the account privacy section. In this case, you will see that the account is public, so what we need to do is toggle this option and switch it to private. That way, once we set this up, people won't be able to go in and view who we are following. And that's it.